Calibrating your graphics settings in Rocket League can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to optimize your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the Settings menu. Launch Rocket League and navigate to the main menu. Click on the Options button to access the Settings menu where you can adjust various game settings. Step 2. Select the video settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings that you can modify to improve performance or visual quality. Step 3. Adjust resolution and display mode. Set your screen resolution to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. Choose between full screen, windowed, or borderless window modes based on your preference for performance or multitasking. Step 4. Modify graphics quality. Look for the quality settings and adjust the overall graphics quality. You can choose presets like low, medium, high, or custom. If you experience lag, consider lowering the quality settings to improve frame rates. Step 5. Fine-tune advanced settings. Explore advanced settings such as anti-aliasing, motion blur, and V-Sync. Disable features that may impact performance negatively, and enable those that enhance your visual experience without sacrificing frame rates. After completing these steps, you should have a well-calibrated graphics setup for Rocket League. Enjoy your improved gameplay experience.